everyone can please stand up for the President. You can be seated now. So good afternoon, everyone. My name is Weber Santiago. I'm a member of the National Youth and Adult Council on behalf of Angar State. And I would like to thank all of you for coming to the first ever National Mental Health Wellness Symposium hosted by the Ministry of the Ministry of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism, and Development. We would like to begin the program by asking the Minister of Human Resources, Culture, Tourism, Development, the Honorable Ngiray Balast-Matul, to give us his welcoming remarks. So.
Malungil itaswelbo. Dako dingat programa MC kita de mulgot korang abard. Letial ministry kita nganya culture alsel. Makmal di mulgot kor bela president. So akalomu aknartial welcome rarat makot akma outcare kami rogui. Makora mo mulgoy kang clear school. President te kulngit material ngal ka school amod ora kora altertir. Makot ngarinya domu ra George B. Harris. Tirga rokul ngal ka George B. Harris bom do oren swad lawreng asulela principal Wycliffe Emul. Awang erong ngarinya Koror Elementary School. Tirga ngal ka Koror Elementary School. Swad lawreng asulela principal Maylin Ngiriyo. Kami dabora Malgyok Elementary School. Ekadoreng asulela principal gerungil telay mga abuy ki adal domeser ngilo bentri relang. Kadabora STA Elementary School. Tergel dakalo dengi angara a break umusin dertira akora aroidra dolonglet betragi tergel masuk ilmei. Eso adaloreng asulela principal Jermaine Yao. Kami dabora Emmaus Petanya High School. Kadabora asulela principal Pamela Sway. Kadabora Mizenti High School. Kadabora asulela principal Allen Marbo. Kadadire kal rireng sa mungarnya imol buy gra PMA langartiang. Kabom door. Marangal ka Palau High School. Kita malngal tanga taling suakal mal mo welcome ra ngel special guest tergid. Nga president tergid el President Surangal Whips Jr. Nga tergel makasay alama madanglia schoolel. Din tara kumrat mong kotel nga schoolel na mo daitorior belaw. Kadang mal miarngu dalang artial me sel me meskita sesera takoy el gumarang ang mol nga seor gid raklisi ela aklangar gid akmo meskite president atalgibul rekshirtial youth policy gid mong kadokora mo madengel pungra ul mo kadang artiang boy ki adam blo ang bokor de leru rakalam la memong esel guple muutel youth policy gid amlo mereka regil menguk nongar lela ministry mlo mesat mo kadam karang guk mo mesat mo ikal guk maray mela yi marak kadam karang mo nga seorar ngalget esel time president whip sa guk nang wadrual emlo tut kakal mo minister gid tagid BSL Ministry of Human Resource, Culture, Tourism and Development. Yamle mokteger sel ulta sura lurur nga president amle ultur sel will lurur ngi a will asel koram le do daira atial guk presidency ngi Sira lomu lar adaw londasak ngara duru lelai kal kakaro sele wal tokoil mot magerulitan ministry. Ngaram kata masaw the human resource, lolda karngira culture, ma tourism ma development. Yaklor ngi akamiu. Amle mokte kertiang omes at mu arangal ka adodair angar maral mel klangaragid. Kadam garang e omes ra career path. Kadam garang e omes at mu aigel kamamal minister amrul mamrut aklangar kamiu. Asabi el ngosu kamiu ra tele aklangar kamiu omoral mumaklo. A human resource kamiu. A culture rulidum kadamo other belau. A tourism sel wal lol takaw ra ageiza ergid. A development tamalasam lomas kumegel rogul dongu mo successful attack lang ergid. Betel balwat. Masiragi moral school rogul lomes ra amrur tial youth policy ergid. Yataram legot el lo tel merengle laklang ergami ar mgekedalaf. A mental health atau kau era uldasu. Lagi dan nama betul kakarosel influences el mergid. Angaramu angkuk di school marsa elid. Ela kombola badeng war kami marsa elimi ada kalbor rei. Tabung kami ul mormei. Why saying dia? Kami tu radio keren. Telar kami angara Facebook, Instagram, malubang TikTok. Kamoldars. Pom honest. Belgulak mo ndek ngada ka aliwiw. Lekom ditong oklar sa elimia di mga dadur kamil mo tutaw. Setara mrengle laklangar blambo albangar ngi el ko kamamal adim lagi mangi ler sa lima ma gibom rekara after school gibom ret tangara tuk mormel direk. May gegi dagil giblo mo mesat mo kadam karang erulia wa el alsil setya katengel morngi. Ol ngi tirtikir rogul limos kamalup ta semmong ra atau kora guru rauldasu mo nga seorgid mo temkarang mot mak et sibel ngusu kumiul telgibel mo mal asware mo madangep mongaral dongu ngarngira a government tergid maskulet elon nga ser kumiul sebul matara pol mring lauldasul gira laklangar kumiul makmal dingun mor seigid eswal malmut el welcome kami rokui emolngitra president mong mertiang emokmu al mergidre al sils med psaklol prot edo renga sule la president elne
Ali sing wilit tasuelvo itasuelve okay de amsula ministeren lo maklat kergi de lo hace gire del los peatiginged kadang ara blur belau com dengue lo hace tiginged a timral moder dos per ira pekel sils sel dangara tiktok como segel tiktok como maldi speak english o mga Facebook mga issue. O yang Instagram saya dah upload tangani. Di katabral maro dang artialo bang kamiu relal sils. So adal artial minister agora telgibel el mo dadu gira la tora mental health. But before that thing this wakal artial mrenga solar students that took time and mertiamo com attender tial event relal sils. Akmega siya ngara STA ma PMA ngara break kami hamal di volunteer el me. So it's good to see you here. Gira del participate ayer rogul opportunity ngani available mergid. El marurugid more resilient. El mom sisi era akla del gida ngara alsin. Mensuada mereka sulira first of all ministry matul ma director Alonso mle gut maklitial الإيفنت الألسيلز تيادي بنغل دي المينستري جدا Human Resource Tourism Culture and Development دي رغل لو مجيلا نيسو from a Minister of Health مجيلا Minister غفار المرسي ما تيمريرا Ministry of Health and Human Services ما قوم سرتين مليوكر تيال رومر الألسيلز ما ضمان مرينا سولير دي رغل مرينا سولير لا Civic Action Team تغرتير باي أوي دي رغل help بريد of course a ministry جدا education اللي كميل المير الألسيلز لما المرينا سولير principals الملي organizer كتيان help بركميل المير الألسيلز مقدا قاسوس كده مدين لو أساسا البنية قوفي ده كده مالي لوت المو أرويد أقوم لو أساسا الوقتورا تورا أدين وارجيدين أوريدين لا أوريديد أنا remember سرا كيغال البويجة قطم للسمرية المورا سكول سل توتاو قام لكيرا سيريب سك بورا سكورا توتاو دري 6 ستوري يجي مورا سكول مرغو ميلي لغاو ستوري قام مارسل إمام أنتلن أوبنا سكول إمام رغا سكول انسو غادي غاو ستوري ديكو مسرا لان هذا أوريد الممسا تشيغا دين وارتير أو مسا لايغرتير دي you know even back then endiri kan lemring la amondai akshel lo ase akikar el bui ga two things I was always bullied about I say kotak peleleu makti nekar el bui ga hauli umone hauli namudara do hauli kitial di mix ko ngomong di to ase kamal beleleu kamanga ots later I found out to ase ots malungil gal dinga kasira kigarek mal tigil gal ots le buiki adale le tia si usegam mal tigil mangani gal ndi akla find out bla 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 se tia malungil rahel mal diwa a pragma ugaum ngira dro da ga lungile emange di not only that I always struggled with weight Actim lega dal boom temeraldi they would make fun of me and you know that's life but it's hard I say and then I observed there are better friends around Maria imora friend ra kamamel tumlo sigin oror melo mostang opsi because I'm a problem ra family nana neighbor nga ragim kira sirei dira lingi lok langari leng problem al sela a family ak shira igang legi da amdang lo sea life dekal beot mringel taragot klol mondar al sela langari and I think sel second el questioner sel surbera sengala sel got el masanga ro su economy udod maloben klangari gida ma amat kladra bekal sils aga challenges that we face akara serak yagare one of the things el blol goreng sera drag madam galgam bondari how are we going to pay the next bill in fact emlani atama draga muradam ga semro dorael pay dorael muram brigel mal brigel klangar belam you know these are challenges that we go through all the time and that's why take the event الألسيل سقط تقلو تترى because you need to know where you can get help I say I say who can you turn to Naria imora dirigal seliger serang imal almat tariq mal dirigal mo ubuleng te harassing malaw dudel nga dirigal me belel wa nga mang tamal le makitering and you know akmo feeling was and say who to turn to gidam dengel as children gadam dengel was say what's going on they sometimes sense de galo dengel principal de galo dengel adrablir de galo dengel but they're struggling gadon mortial besel blulad gomlo lo say sel sum gada postra shasing malo bangarang clara Instagram sel ko apto alay ma apto comment ngarang kita ramiu, mongil ramiu. Mongil el sumo ko ngam kita comment. May say, kado sige sel acknowledgement gora sel dome sa ngil tuwa mongil ramiu. Di mo yang bekal sel mo sing tabloid Moses. Adi mo kam kita tuwa total mo kapsingay. But that's the unfortunate thing. Ilakata all so they criticize, so they siga kantila to and put others down. I say. Agira dal mom dangli ase every one of you. And then they say moteral do melek ringi. Hindi kami atokubet sel kotrul e kung mga Dios. I say. Iliyak kal tokubet sel ngalakal girin mo siya Dios ako tel petigar ng kami. Mama mi papapar kami mo ko tel petigar ng mir kami. Mara anggos, mara aunties, mara brothers and sisters. Sometimes yung dekal sal looti. I say. Ting bral petigar nir kami. Actually sila katama ka selongoror kamam sila ko telsual mururingia mo relate rak langaringi. And I know sometimes we feel alone. Actually tiyaneng katama ka blolo ay sa story nga sing batokal time niya sing namada ngara blukon mak ngar malmring lak langarang of course ang mlada damaleng brother morata familia Adamal madalal mong lirdria adiri kan nosmer yung moratara family emlemring oror tobra school tobra school model nga school and many times nga say ngarab lukulak langar why do I need to continue to suffer ding nga say akarbe bula wan raya dele ratal kapsinge sokal mala sokla. Disen no stop na kan masok kasi kita sa sok lebok suudol ng Bible mangal mo problem na. Why see? Di albebira time we really feel alone. No is a story ni serabol. Ang nga sa radial eloral morakwam le sel time lo high school ngira morakwam. Mo saya akmura mas radial en rapport ng malal radro go ang artial el side radial el ama olgrodolo en ka misen mora abitang lengarang tang artial side olgrodolo let they're waving goodbye to their family en yadim nakaadan mo mesani maulam ra abitang di sel bloolo maklat kanira mama se Sel ngil suir, ang mga nga sayang algala rubak kal Dios. No matter what, you're a child of God. I say? And you're going to face challenges in life. Next part track lang, hindi kami ala, ngariar na soy sa bering, ngariar adri kalsal si sa bering. Hindi, Mori atara time ang ania sokal kikarir dil malu mga ania ko kikarir dil ko solat tara saal yang happen ang dirabol happen emor ko sel de bon ko mal mlo ko tinga de tira di rejecter gid como ko amla experience ay ge malu ben ari tel ko radel wil em omre gam badort e ko dom se tia endrablu lado kun dia nga diri ko nung dasulo ay siya. First lady malum ska ka hard time. Ay malmle sel tokor bela toram riga to sing hard to get mak malle lemringla to rejection. In fact ngadri tirabadar high school JC hindi ka mo ayos And akmal remember time nga tobdol mura college. Hindi kami graduate high school nga kamna merbelaw. Yung wasendiak. We cannot be in a relationship mga kasi. Di nga mali mislo toy ra kon di kalse mel waise na. Okay. And you know akmodo oram dala MNF marada bela singgang dito oram dala MNF nga uror MNF makmora telgi kare windora MNF ngidi go story ringi ngodo durin ndi ya ngodo telek. Do you know we have to ngira dal mo kloar ngo dem na say it's not the end of the world. Degal endara ro gurto. Sel da seng diak meloran mora school bola gisang. Of course ang mo uldi gelar ngo den ndi tatas en mino seng dega ngo da. Ngira dal mo klor ngo do say we kadamot mura amring el time. May ang uklong al tangat 10 years later ang gilingay. But hindi ka doon na saying maybe there's somebody else for you. Hindi ka ligira del Diyos say that's the only hope. Actually tiyan lang last week kulbanggel anggel Emirate Navy Secretary of Navy ng Artia. Ayim lo ablo abliliyo. Itigel betokol Marines ng Arseng are 18 years old, 19 years old, 20 years old. One of the challenges are relationships. Mga siya ako tululak, madaya siya ako maroy dira family kami. Mamaringan. And then mga siya tira kami siya baby rat time ako mo sa isbra. Ay gagi del will. Ang ariam tamal. Di ba mo dayal wase? It's not the end of the world. I see. Yeah, there's always opportunities. Ya sumangok no de kalgirel, am no de kalgirel. Ngira mo na say God has another plan for you. Mumring la aklangar mong maybe mring la dalang ok, but don't give up. Ato mga lumaklak na kasi first mumura ra Dios. Ongero mring lo ro. Bol blakar mumray ke rogun morun. Dia ka el torba stopper ko. Isirong edel also no say ebora school study the hardest you can study do your best at school and sell education and mo say the other sell ori dir ko clock time di mo ko lobang may gida umra sing kalder to el sumgo dolab and deka sell ruli era deka barra del sell otur kada belum daswa negatif, bagi dalam daswa positif. Be happy sila bagi sila tutal wase. Kakira ko trungil belur al sila belulat. Be happy wase ngare a Dios sila ko terbetikan ura. Be happy wase ngare a family ral betikan dira. Ngira dalam mesay lungil. Oy, momring laklar, dingira dalam mesay lungil. El alsil se tiang anak klub mulsa ding wadilong minister se tiang speed dating program no speed dating bulo se ela como regal carousel station e mom ding se what's out there no su comio why se a speed dating da se dukti change every day oi mom ding se ay gagi datte al Malsum speed dating kasi toka adama kablo mo kwarto kasi toka ngigil mo mo ngil malilt masangahira ari ok why say so dia close to trela agira de la osig sell the best in everything that we do why say mo sige sell lungil or the positive things in everything that we do le adome sa negative ikado mo siga karul. Why say? Sometimes ay gal kaldo siga de kalungil kar. Umbes nga gal kaldo siga. Ngara ko ragel bebe ra kar mamda seng kada sodal soy sebri. Teka ko ra uldaso. Malamado ko, oh. Teka nga ra siya, sergi mo lamado ko mo de ka stress. Okay, kumlaro ko city lang. Okay. Yadoli marom. Mal di mo beot taro kulto koy. E a marijuana. Mal di mo beotaro gue. Ice, sen mal dirmi daro gurtoy. And when you get off of them, problem is still there. Why say? So ang gira dal magal solve our problems. Aladigo Aisra say, yes, we have our challenges. As a government, ang gira dal sel hotel do runa say magra do rurak langar kami mongil. Magra the make sure ya skula da ko turungil giriw. Magra nga future kami ang ani hope rin. Kaya say, if you think lo say bela da hope rin, what's the point? Why say? Also blula da climate change adi maral mel dalak kriyid dia choice rin, then what's the point? So ndiri kalangar level as a government, we'll do all we can and address the issues. So, sekal sharing ilo bang kami relal sils. Telar kami tangalil tuka compact. Kamoldars. Compact, kumlang ako sil tukoy. Compact of Free Association. Yeah, the agreement. So, serak nga high school age kami yo. Compact mal logo digering ya baluru belaw. In fact, buigada 7 times eblo senkyoring. Dira bodo senkyo doreng emlari amkamada emle klo issue al sela blur belaw. But we passed it. Emlo osperir for the last 30 years. Sel lo aisenir al silsa se eli eselu next till 20 years sel agreement tablet saring President Biden. Sella al mo implementering. Awalang cloud tutelal maskida auk nyeso al sea de la olap help para school, education, healthcare, tora urol, security, bla police. Lengara ul. Cloud tutelal alongila igal toy ilang mga tmok kami rabek kalsils. Hindi dire kan maskida amasisi ilgaiza ilgida si adros peri mas kami ahop lo siya kluwa mawil. Mang agulo di sa dal dunia sa bela aklote alani. Ngani selo siya te alang artel morayang ada. Maldi mo tuir rekamiu. Bomoda se al suma damagal can succeed, then anybody can succeed. Say hablo lulaklat kalmera. So, bolbla karang miu, don't ever lose hope. Always think positive, and remember that you are God's child. Okay, say? Kaman musula. Dios el lamakal tangat kami rogoy. El lamakal tangat rablo rablo. Tel belwa rablo bela. Sula.
Malmasaule President الموسم الطلوع رقم السيلز إدريق الشيء الإكسبيرينس رقاو إلى التايم أقول نترا أبيك العادل البوضع هو شاسين right yes group picture so if I can ask all of the kids to please stand up once again as you registered you were given a number. We'll now divide you up into your separate stations. If I can have all the people, all of our partners from the Ministry of Health and Juvenile Justice as well as the CAT team, please make your way to your stations. Ali, please, all the students, pay close attention to these instructions, all right? I'm going to repeat them once. You need to pay attention to the table numbers. So, if we can have you have the number 1 on your sticker, please raise your hand. 1, the number 1 sticker. You're going to be going to the behavioral health booth. If they can have somebody raise their hands over there. There's OJ. All number 1s, please make their way over there. All right, we'll now proceed to number 2. If you have a sticker with number 2 on your chest, you'll be going to Rusham, the one in yellow. Rusham, can you please stand up? Over there. Number 2. Big Bird.
we are even under the Bureau of Public Safety. Yeah? Not only that, but the reason why this division is very special is because we are the Division of Juvenile Justice, which we are involved with minors. Yeah? So anybody knows the age, when we say juvenile, what age is it? 18, eh? 18 and below. 18 and below.
Are any of those offices familiar to you? Raise your hands. Which are some of the things that you guys have heard or have been exposed to in terms of like their outreaches to your school? See prevention, administration, youth center.
It's called automatically outfire move. You don't have to concentrate. I have to mental health this. What do I feel about it? What am I going to do about it? Somebody pass me the ketchup. Mental health work for you to apply what is good for you. Mental health, all it does, at the end of the day, is keep you safe.
What are the medical benefits of exercise? Okay? If you exercise regularly, right, it can help reduce stress, boost your memory, reduce symptoms of mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. Okay? Now,
We just kind of act as like a little thing in the service. So if you guys need help with it, kind of contact us. Kind of hook you up with the could be just where we're talking and like picture where our values
Don't let the pain make you less of who you are as a person. Use the pain to make you a stronger person. Use the pain to make you more resilient, that you can bounce back from the hard things that you go through in life.
We can have all the students please stand up. Okay, so once again, if everybody could please take their seat and we can begin the close of the program. All right. We'll now begin the closing session of our first ever National Mental Wellness Symposium in honor of Youth Week 2024. I would like to, at this time, invite the Chief of the Division of Youth Affairs and, Youth and Career Development, Chief Sylvester Alonso, to deliver his announcements.
Allez. Malung li tasils. Kumuang Minister, mne ko na maok to kwasang table water bela, mingir tam ko tor bela, hindi nga bilingual sa ungil. Donc, est-ce que tout le monde est là? Comme rien que c'est là. Alors, quoi c'est bilingual? Marabal ko la bilingual. Ouais, c'est, me droit tout le droit là. Donc, est-ce que vous êtes prêts pour quelques annonces sur le cabinet des jeunes, dans le ministre des Ressources humaines, Waiseng. Are you paying attention now? Okay, man Waiseng. Man sulan mertegi del opening of the event. Oingaraw Youth Day der Blue Palau. Oingaraw? Mangaraw ul mangaria event on Monday. Because it's Youth Week. That's it, so I'm asking about the 1 day the national and the Masara te alakwasang sibad and arte for the whole week. So Elan Mel Week Bloba event. For all the schools in Soril Mel join, you're more than welcome to join the public events. Kluroma Wednesday, the Civic Center through RSVP, the Facebook page. Morning resume writing and dress for success workshop. Today's event, the Gukman special and more youth in school. I get the event that Tuesday, Wednesday, go the Malat Kutirigel go the Gauding was they're at risk to see youth in our school or the Aurelier. Tuesday, Wednesday, resume writing, dress for success. But Thursday, what venue are we in right now? PNOC National Gym. Around 9 to 4 will be an open internship and job fair. So, Tirigal High School in Artyam, you're welcome as well to come to Thursday. It's an event open to the public at 9 to 4 for the internship and job fair. All right? Park, what's the name of the park? Mother si mo mil skum Rungul Park. That was at Bethlehem Park. There's still at Bethlehem Park and Namodakam youth. Some of that park right there. Right there. All right. So March 15, Friday, Youth Day, Setogobetzel event, the Division of Youth and Career Development, will be a 5K walk and run. Starting here, the Orungud Park, Mora Ngormal or Long Island, Emutan May. There will be cash prizes for participating youth groups. So I know that Romil Elatam Gomem Omtera School. But of course, in Tegarel Balwad, you're part of youth groups as well. All the participating youth groups that come are eligible to participate in the competition. The youth group that comes with the most members in uniform or in the same color will be eligible to win cash prizes. So, Friday, what's the date? March 15. Registration, I'm not late. El 4:30, I'm ututaw. El mafap The walk will start at 6. So the Martel Monday start the Youth Week all the way to Friday. So these are the announcements. Tangartelo Facebook. Moktaran follow the page. Ministry HRCTD. Ministry Human Resource, Tourism, Culture Development. And all the announcements I made now will be posted there. And wishing everybody a happy Youth Day 2024.
Thank you, Chief Alon. So, I would just like to make a correction. Alit yang ada kal PNOC. Yang Palau National Gymnasium. Matyak lokli rogoy, masel moral, ndak molay kal rogul komir kamiwe. Adalat yak lokli the rogoy. All right. So without further ado, I would like to invite the chairperson for the National Youth and Aldabel Council, Ms. Palau, Ms. Tiraya Antonio.
Kamal misulang alam ratel gire. Sera. Ako kameng. Luto alam ratel. Sera pa ko tingin mong lagi na kalmang tatu or kami. Ar adadio ay sa ako sa saspitra ding. Wal dim lakad so kal memorize ay get tol pol kol mar kami. Gira di nga ang work malon mo kami. LL Youth Week, asit sir awal week kita rokoy. Kita takat sal maklo tolong let, nga kadi 18 argik. Ay gal rokol mugsubul wasen takal girin marul, nga man takal girin marul. So, nga ngi sige the relatability git. Nga kadi warak miu, akmla go through ay gal faces rak miu. But kita nga ay gal transitioning age, kita rokoy abl all nga ngi gal ngot al treteled, ay gal ngot al response git. May gal kuk ngot al behavior git, alay kita di git al matang ligit. Tegi that sit samal mlengil opportunity mergi dal ngayaso. Nasa eden may am subir gira lay gal ngil opportunities ma services available in mergi. Lagi da care Palau, ngot tulungil balu. Emal batok opportunities ma teelle that sa eden may take advantage of it. Of course, ang di kita madang ligid, mong di kita madang was nga sa eden rule, nga dakat sa eden rule. Capabilities rigid, Kotel nga ba capabilities sir ning ta kadto ngay. El adto ta aktiul bang kami mingil mang accordil mese observe sa dollar cell exercise especially sa gid exercise ra miss paklay ta mingil. Ekul meseng mal laboratory kami wa or tar sa imo mi sa dol was say peacock. May gid ko laboratory. Ning sa tuta most gid ako ra dito okli gid maskulet. Daka malmigi se or socialize se or meet around at school. But it's not a limit. Why I get the opportunity amal lungil and sa edel mix sa edel get to know each other. Nang or exercise sa dorul nang opportunity get laugh at ourselves. Make friends. Ang igel moments get the 11:30 get adult ka And that kind of thing is what we're learning today. Mental awareness, awareness of those who are around us, and awareness of ourselves. It was a good chance to see you all today. Malungil lang ako kalengkom, malungil participate, tak madingay wasing guk nga activities sa kami ra skuli, ulukok mo, takal civil attend na awareness week kami, maguk trigel, guk nga intercession, matuguk nila fritemi, may ang artiyagid. Makteori nga suli rokoy, diswakal mal, Lokora specify sa gid importance sige take care gid. We are the future of Palau. We need to take care of our mental health, take care of ourselves and our awareness. Lenda ka datingi atar aklap say, galit tar kami mo future president of Palau. Ang galit tar kami wakuk mo future Miss Palau. Kita blo all 12 the terrible. Mungil atatak, encourage sa gigi mungil teal, mungil opportunities, mungil lukora amrul. Our strength is our community. Our strength is each other. And if mlaringa severe ladsids, at least nguay gigi important points. Mlaringa more ladsids, mlaringa blam suvi, kumlam tingi wasing ngalad services available mo kami apa mas paanges. And so mental civil reach out or kung karatar tigay the karam titul express yourselves at least sige adal madangali. Let yourselves be open to those close to you. And nga support system kami. Kotel important about the thing was so mental civil reach out to market services so karam maklol adal takatong 3. At least see 3 moral friends or how. Those are the important points to me and hopefully to you guys. Ligay kita ko black sub sa high school, mga 8th grade elementary. It's a transitioning age. Masadoral mo ko timsub, pemamadingay teletelet, and even when we're growing older, as we're not youth anymore, kadati ka masubig giret. Kadati tigigid mamdang aligid. May hope pong nangya severe ladsids. I hope pong at least yung experience kami. Tiada ka last mental wellness symposium. Come encourage each other, maruk future underclassmen kami. Hopefully, sabihin ko nga position nga tatakip say or Sige din mo ideal position ra kami. Sulang.
Those were the closing remarks for today's National Mental Wellness Symposium for Youth, Week 2024. So thank you all. If we can have another round of applause to all of you for being with us as well.